I had a dream. I don't know. But and then I understand. No fun. I know it didn't happen in real life.